think it's about to be a bust coming here, but we're about to find out. There's some cops in here. Shit.
Hey, is it cool to walk around and take some pictures or no?
I mean, I don't care if you do. I wouldn't recommend it.
Alright, because I like taking pictures of graffiti and stuff, and I was just...
I can tell you there's not a whole lot of, definitely no good graffiti anywhere. Yeah. Back there, if you go back into the school, you're more likely to find a junkie that likes your camera than you are to find graffiti.
Yeah.
This is about the best you're going to get anywhere around here. So if you want to take pictures of this, feel free. But while I'm not going to stop you from going back there, I definitely wouldn't recommend it.
Alright.
Alright?
Alright, thank you. I'm going to just be careful. I'm always careful, and I always like to try to get permission before I go walking around taking pictures and stuff. I love abandoned places.
Alright, man.
Places armed and on. Cop was cool. He gave me permission. He was like, I think we'll be alright. I'll yell at him if I need help. Little backstory. I actually came here a long time ago, and I actually got detained here. Hello? It's creepy hearing noises. People just come in these places and they destroy and shit. It's so sad. An attic of some sort. Oh wow, it's been a while since I've been here. Definitely a sketchy area. I think I already checked back here, didn't I? Yeah, it's like a... But yeah, he's definitely right. You do gotta look out for junkies and stuff. I've never actually heard that term, junkie. I just usually refer to them as crackheads or loonies. Wow, it's definitely more gutted out than I remember. Hello? I believe the police department in my city does, like, school shooting drills and stuff here. It's definitely dark and creepy by yourself at night. I've been here at night. Hello? Big area. I believe this is where the ladder was. Yeah. Go upstairs. It's definitely weirder being here at night. Bro, someone opened this whole entire thing. This used to be just closed. Oh wow. Definitely weird and eerie being back here. Oh wow, look at this. Fuck bitches, get money. This place closed in 2005, I think. Due to Hurricane Katrina. That's what I think. Because there is... You can kind of see where the water level was in here. Up to here. Most of the building was probably gutted. Scrappers came in and took what they wanted to. Creepy. This is a technical college, by the way, guys, so it's like a junior college. Not like a full college, but ooh, this is gonna be weird. Smoke weed. Hello? Oh, that's back that way. Cool outside area. This might have been like a cafeteria of some sort. Like a lobby area. Yeah, this was a cafeteria. This was definitely the kitchen. You can tell by the stainless steel and looks like a dishwasher maybe, or cooler. Can't really. Hello? Hello? Oh, that's that. Yeah, this is, oh, an oven maybe. Definitely an oven. This one's bashed up. More classrooms. Empty, dark rooms. There's really nothing here. Yo, what the hell are these? Is that a bullet? What the hell? There's like bullets and shit here. I don't know if these are like blanks. Because like I said, the police department does do drills here. I wonder if these are like blanks. I mean, they look like blanks to me. I don't know if that's what this is. Oh wow, the machine that was in here is gone. There was like a big machine here. Bro, these are everywhere. I wonder if these are blanks. I may have to ask that cop to see what these are. Big classroom here. He's still there, I can hear him. He's kind of cool. He's chilling. Spray paint. Yeah, these are everywhere, these little, I mean, they look like makeshift bullets. I don't know if that's what they are. They're definitely fired off, whatever they are. But they are just everywhere. I wonder if that is actually what that is. Seen another cop just roll by. Kicked in the door. I already looked at all this. Let's go to the fucking back. See what we can see. I think that cop left. Whoa. Yeah, it definitely sounds like that cop's coming. Hello? Absolutely dark. Another dark room. People just busted out these ones. I don't think there's anyone in here. I think we are pretty much alone in this building. A lot of garage doors to this whole entire place. Bright back here. Looks like we gotta make our way back this way. Get out of here. It's not really much here. Looks like there might have been a clock up there or something. Hello? Oh, there. Yo. I don't know why I'm whistling at, like, around corners. That noise is definitely creepy. Well, this room's echoing. Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. Jesus, dude. Alright, well, that's everything here. Not walking that way. Not walking through the dark rooms. Sounds like he's still sitting there. Oh. He's gone. That's weird. They came and they left. Guess they're watching out for people doing drugs and stuff. Looks like there's a shed back here. We gotta see what this is back here. There's definitely police tape all over the place. I don't know what that's about. Hello? What was this place? Definitely creepy. Looks to be a storage area. Ooh, shit, this is collapsing. That's not nice. That's not cool. Alright, getting out from under that. Alright, that's everything. Definitely is spookier here at night than during the day. Stuff has definitely changed. Hello? Ooh. Hello? Ooh, that's creepy in there. And this building still gives creeps even during the day. I think there might have been someone in that room. Ooh, people had a feast with dominoes here. I don't know what this was back here. Might have been a building that collapsed. Definitely was weird to walk around this area again. Definitely does not look like a school from the outside. You wouldn't think it would be a school. I mean, it kind of does. Yep.